Alright, welcome back to the Quick Speed Shop. What I got going on today is this engine that was buried under a mountain of junk this high. This is the last thing, an antique Ford tractor door. I don't know why I got this here, but I do. My friend Bob is up from Pennsylvania. We're going to get this engine out of here and put it in a Model A truck chassis from the other video over here or over there, whatever it is, where I'm redoing my Model A truck. So first thing we're going to do is get this engine out of here and put it in the chassis. And then, if we have time, we're going to go over here. Where is it? Up there on the shelf is the truck cab for the truck. It's been on the shelf. We're going to go up there and maybe try to get that down. We'll see how it goes. First of all, we're going to put the engine in the chassis. Alright, here we go. We got it kind of undug. Here's Bob. Say hi. What we're going to do is try to... This is on a cart, so in theory it should roll out. Oh, what's this? Oh, hold on. Made a discovery. This is just like American Pickers. Ah. Oh,
it's too low.
It appears to be a sure grip. Oh,
move it this way, it'd be.
Here's my sure grip differential for the rear end I was looking for. Glad I found that. Bam. Ah. Alright, so in theory this should be able to come out of here. This is a 283 Chevy that was in the truck when I built it the first time. It's got untold miles on it and it's got 20,000 on it since I put it together. It leaks a little bit, it's got some blow by, but it works good. It's got a 4-speed BorgWarner T4 transmission. So we'll roll it out of here and try to put it in the chassis. Maybe. There's junk in the way. What do I like?
Obstacles.
I like obstacles. We had to move like 4 cars just to make this happen. There we go. There we go. She's free. Hold on. Wait. Okay. There's another fan here. And the strap is caught. There we go. Now,
whatever this is dragging, get that up out of there.
Let's go ahead and we'll wheel it slowly out of the garage. Oh, wait, you're running over my drip pan. You're running over the drip pan. There we go. Bam.
Stop. We gotta. You have to. Where's your lever?
Man,
it's up on there. I got my finger though. Here.
what, pinch your finger?
Yeah, a little bit.
Hang on. Bump it ahead while I lift it. Look at that. We're slowly getting it.
Got a rag or something.
And here we go. Now, where's that boot strap? Right here.
How's that?
Will those tie rods fit under there?
I think so. I think we just got to go a little bit that way. Oops.
Just don't get under it.
Yep.
We're gonna go down.
Okay. you got to be over farther. I mean, I can put this where it belongs.
Hold on 1 second. It's dripping.
Oops, go ahead.
It's gotta go on my side, I think. Where's that one bolt? Right here.
This guy?
Bam. Just keep the transition. Give me the other bolt for the other board round up.
It's this one.
It's gotta go right about there. Bam! Look at that. Now I'll just set the tail shaft down.
Oops, the tail shaft's down. It's been down. That whole thing just dropped. I don't know if you're going to be able to get your
Yeah.
train back out from underneath. That added a lot of weight to that thing.
Just gonna hook that.
Okay.
I'll hook it from the.
Oh. I gotta hold the thing in place otherwise it'll rock off your blocks. Okay. Hey, stop. Okay,
forgot.
got it.
Just roll it backwards. Bam! Look at that. That's the fastest engine install I've ever seen. Record time. Record time.
That's the one I took out of the bottom of that.
All right, there we go. We got the engine in, and now I can set up the rear end with the drive shaft angle, get the new drive shaft made, and figure out a bunch of other stuff, mock up the radiator, start making the mounts for that, and then we'll be on the next step. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you again at the Quick Speed Shop. Thanks to Bob for helping. Where is he? Over there.